Hey everyone, Bob Biker 46 here. It was a little crummy outside yesterday. We made a couple things. I was kind of just indoors all day, didn't do much anything. Made a sleeve, a wind sleeve. I don't know what you want to call it. For when it's windy outside, we'll test that when we get some wind. And then I made a pop filter. This is a embroidery sleeve, you know, for you to do your embroidery. And then this is a garden staple for holding down landscape fabrics and whatnot. I just kind of stuck it under the spring there, put some Velcro around there, some Velcro on the top of here. Stick it down. Seems to work pretty good. I did some testing online yesterday with a program online, and it seemed everything worked pretty good. No popping with your P and B sounds. There was no popping at all. I did it with this sleeve on here as well. Like I say, I'll get outdoors when the wind kicks up and see if that cuts down the wind noise. Anyways, Bob Biker 46. See ya.